When God wants to make a man powerful, he does not crown him in front of kings. He does not hand him a sword forged from gold. No, he does not surround him with praise or song or anything like that. Nope, he isolates him silently, kind of like hides him away from the rest of the world, patiently, as if forgotten. When the divine chooses a man for something greater, it begins with subtraction, not addition. Everything unnecessary is removed. Comfort, applause, validation. Not because these things are evil, but because they are distractions. They're distractions from what is essential. Power. Power cannot be planted in soil too soft. So the ground has to be hardened first. The roots have to be tested, you see. Because power that is gifted without transformation becomes poison, folks. A man must be tempered before he is trusted. Fire does not only destroy, it purifies. I know a lot of you guys out there know that. And so the man who is cast into trials, it's not an accident, folks. It is by design. Loneliness is not neglect, but initiation. Silence is not absence, but instructions. The man begins to feel as though the world has turned its back on him. Doors close. People leave, folks. The path that this man knew crumbles beneath his feet. But this is no mistake. This is the slow unraveling of his former self. For only when the ego dies can the soul rise.